All right. Morning, guys. Hello everyone, welcome back to Potato Rice and Trade, where I wake up slightly early in the morning and I'm trying to analyze the chart, see if we do have any opportunity to check on long or short on Bitcoin, alright? So, whoa, let me just hide all my stuff here. Wow, Bitcoin is dumping. Let me play some music. Let me know if the music is too loud, alright? Morning, NCI Trade, morning, and the war. Right, if you guys want to watch any replay, you guys can just go to YouTube and search for daily live trade, alright? The second one, alright. So, as what we mentioned like last week, we have to be cautious long. We have to be cautious long on last week. Then we have our long rack. And yep, all this while, the long has been, I would say, rather dangerous compared to the short, because right now, you can see the whole market is leading down by the sellers. Right, one of the reasons, if you guys notice, is if you get information from Aham Intelligence, I'm not sure why. Actually, yesterday, jump trading actually have been constantly transferring. I would say constantly transferring the asset to Binance and other exchange to most likely to sell off. You can see like outflow. You can see outflow. So everything has been, jump trading has been, trying very hard to send their asset to Binance, Coinbase, OKX. So this is definitely a huge dump. This is definitely a huge dump coming soon. No, it has been like that for past few hours. Right. Just let me do a quick update in my tweet. All right. Jump trading has been actively transferring crypto to exchange. Yep. So as you can see right now, if we just filter, let's say about 1 million, that's 100,000. Still, you can see within few hours we have more than that. Let's filter more. Let's say 1 million. You can see for past 14 hours has been transferring a lot of asset, especially Ethereum to Binance. Right? If I just put on my token, you can see jump trading has been actively transferring Ethereum. Let me just screenshot, and there's a huge amount of Ethereum being transferred out. Let me just post it here. delete. Alright, so if you ask me, with this huge amount of selling pressure, I don't think Ethereum can hold on there. So the next question is, what's next? The next question is, what's next? Alright, so basically, if referring to the TA, so this is I usually do. So this is basically a support area, So if you combine with CME gap, right now we actually close the previous gap, and right now we have a new gap. We do have a new gap. So you can see here, we have a new gap, and then we actually close the previous gap. We have a new gap, and then we'll close the previous gap. So I think let's put it like this. It's supposed to be green color. Alright, so we close the previous gap, and then right now we have a new gap. So probably we can see upcoming, probably 1 week, we will be able to see Bitcoin going back to 62,000 again to close this gap again. So basically how I trade usually with CME is it tends to close the gap every single time. Almost every single time, like that, probably 99% of it. Probably 99% of it. So yep. We have basically if I would say, if you guys wanted to long, this is quite a good point to long, but just have to be cautious. As in, right now CME gap is filled. That's why I would say you can really try to long, and then to probably 62,500 each. But in terms of TA, technical analysis, so I would love to see a bullish divergence at a smaller time frame. Right now it's like, because I'm a MACD trader basically. So if you can see right now, it's not looking that good. We have very strong selling pressure. You see the selling pressure is getting higher and higher. Lower and lower. So yep. So at least I need to see some momentum. At least you let me, yeah. So if let's say in terms of scalping, just to be honest with you, I don't see any opportunities to scalp as well. So really wanted to scalp is right now lah. So if really we would like to scalp, it's definitely right now. But this is pure scalping, and it's very high risk. I would say it's very high risk. Alright. Do I go into it? Probably. Just let me check for a smaller time frame. Alright. Not really. It's too strong. It's just too strong. There's a green here. Yeah, probably can try. We actually the exchange range, stop loss around, but it's definitely high risk though. I don't see any confirmation. Just to be honest with you guys, I don't see any confirmation at all. So I think it's actually worth to try. Just I'm not that confident. It's worth to try. I'm not that confident. Probably I just play smaller margin. Let me see. This is rather a bit weak. When I'll try to enter, then 57, 600. Right, I'll try to enter first position and with stop loss at the week. Have to be at the week. guys have to be aware. Yeah. So I'll play very cautiously, as in the moment it hit 1-to-1 risk and reward ratio, I'll partial take profit and then I'll move my stop loss to entry. I'll move my stop loss to entry at that moment. Same thing with Ethereum. I just that Ethereum post is looking good though. Bitcoin is better, guys. Bitcoin is better. Yeah, Bitcoin is better than Ethereum if you ask me, in terms of 5-minute time frame. So just that I'm not that confident on this long. Yeah, because the selling pressure is too huge. I mean, because I'm gonna I have some doctor appointment later, I might not be able to update on time. So if you guys long, just make sure your stop loss is around. Let me just check. And just make sure your stop loss is below the previous low. This long is, I would say, it's not a good long. It's not a good long. Just, yeah, I don't see any reaction or confirmation that it will go up. Yeah, the selling pressure is huge, just huge, simply just huge. Oh, we have a perfect 0.618 shot right here. We have a perfect shot here, but I think I was sleeping. 4 o'clock in the morning. It was 4 o'clock in the morning, so yeah. Alright, NCH asks, price dumping will last for a few days. Most likely, if you ask me, I would like to see the reaction of tonight. Alright. Actually, all the token, right, is following Bitcoin. It's dumping on Bitcoin. I mean, it's not on Bitcoin, it's like together with Bitcoin. So even Uni, I wouldn't long Uni though. This is a bit risky, but if you like to long, you have to split to 2 and 3. Let me see. Oops. If you were to ask me, right, I would long here, but I'll put my stop loss damn far away, man. Probably 4.8. So I will reserve second entry, probably at 5.2. I wouldn't recommend to do long, basically. I wouldn't recommend to do long because it's just too risky. Just too risky, guys. Just too risky. It's not worth it. Not really worth it. Right. I wouldn't long this youth token. So Farmer Juga actually asked, long at 60,000 can hold. Long at 6. Yeah, of course can hold. 6 can hold, but you have to make sure your stop loss is a bit further. Because right now, I don't see any any good sign. Just to be honest with you, I don't see any good sign. So just by longing based on this is nah. It's just no. It's a no. Alright. Probably I check out other token. We noticed that Bitcoin is dropping so much, right? So there's no point for us to long Bitcoin now. If let's say you long Bitcoin, then just hold it up. Just hold it up, alright? So otherwise, yeah, it's good. I mean, in terms of TA, it's good. But it has to be more careful. It has to be more careful. Oh, but this TI is so shit. It's dumping since the beginning until now. For TL, right? Yeah, this is kind of can be a longer term of order. So so this is how I'll trade. So if you can see, there's a trend line over here. So actually I will long here. I'll put my stop loss about like probably 35% stop loss though. So you just have to make sure you guys can hold on it. Probably you guys can buy spot lah instead of future, alright? So when it actually go above 6.6, then probably you can probably you can add more margin, and then we can look into probably the previous high, which is around 12 bucks. Which is 12 bucks. Alright, there is a potential. There's a potential for Right. Speaking of that, just let me just put it into our Discord trading channel. Yeah. Create a thread. Start. Copy image. Alright. So if you guys are first time here, feel free to join our Discord channel where we try to update our trade every single day. Yeah. Right. Any good coin to short, all the coin can be short. All the coin can be short, alright? All the coin can be short. All, literally all. Yeah, I've been calling for a short since end of July. But I will slightly change my sentiment to long. So my current, as I mentioned, my current sentiment or current narrative will be, I will start to look for long. Okay, I will go up. Okay, if let's say this don't drop, then I will go up, and it will hit like 70,000 or 75,000 each. Then it will have another big drop again. So that's what I'm foreseeing. It might be a big drop once again before a big pump. So it's a bit contradicting right now. Based on TA, right? I see that might be a chance that it will go down to probably 52,000. But the thing is, right? I still hope it can go up once again to take out the liquidity before it drop. Alright, so yeah. I don't think September is a good month because usually September is a bad month for Bitcoin. Monthly return. You can see from here. So monthly return for August, monthly return for September is usually great. I mean, if you say history repeat themselves, if let's say history repeats themselves, September is always not that good. Not that good. Alright, so July we do have a huge up. July is here. We have open price is around here, and then it end at here. So it still have a good green color, and then August straight away right now it dropped 8.81%, and then yep. So August is always been a very 50-50 kind of thing. So you look back in the history, we only have 1 green, 2 green, 3 green, 4 green. And then we have red 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's high chance that August is going to be red. And if let's say August is going to be red, September is even worse. So out of 10 years, averagely we have negative. We have had negative returns. So that's why I think August hopefully it will be green. Then after that September it ended red. So that's what I'm hoping for. So if you ask me, I'm actually hoping for like 2017. So a big green, then after that a big drop again. Then only we see another bull market. So I would say August, September is a very good time for you to accumulate your spot. As long as it holds 52,000, I think everyone should accumulate their spot and just wait for the next bull market. Alright, so you can see October, November, December usually come with green. If let's say history repeat themselves, I mean there is a higher chance of Bitcoin going green color instead of red color. Basically that's it. Right. So October, November, December, just make sure you guys get enough of your spot, get enough of your Bitcoin or whatever token that you would love to buy. And yes. Okay. Yeah, so basically that's it for today. I hope today's insight really helped you. If you guys have any questions, just try to communicate. Try to chat with me. Not communicate, alright? We're not communicating that much. Try to chat with me in the YouTube chat room, or just leave a comment down below, or just join our Discord for more update, alright? And yep, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Now, Julian asked any coin to short. All the coin can be short, as mentioned. All the coin can be short. Right, literally all. Alright. Any coin short is good. Right, short is good. Alright. If you guys have any more questions, right, you guys can ask in Discord. Alright, ask in Discord. Alright, how to get our Discord? Just join our YouTube. In YouTube, at the bottom, there's a link. Alright. See you guys and bye. Of course, right. At least it go up. Yeah, 59. If you really want to short, you have to wait at 59. Yep. Okay.